Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to remove levels from your Fibonacci retracement on MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4. Then let's add, for example, a Fibonacci, as you can see. Now let's say, for example, I want to remove the 88.6% level, this one, okay? So all you have to do is click on any place, then click on this icon, click on your Fibonacci, then go to this one, levels. Click on it. Click on the trash icon here. Now choose the level you want to remove. As we said, this one, 88.6. So click on it. Click on the trash. And let's go back. And make sure you click on done here, like this. Let's go back. And as you can see, that level has been removed. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.